Ex-Trump Organization Chief Financial Officer pleads guilty to perjury charges. Former Trump Organization CFO Alan Weisselberg admitted on Monday to testifying falsely to the New York Attorney General about his knowledge of the size of Donald Trump's apartment triplex and how the value of that apartment was inflated on Trump's financial statements for years based on the incorrect square footage. I'm Tyrone Bowman. This is Tyrone Bowman Tonight. According to CNN Politics, Weisselberg was charged with 5 counts of perjury, but under a plea deal with prosecutors, he agreed to plead guilty to 2 felony counts relating to testimony he gave during a 2020 deposition with the Attorney General's office. Weisselberg admitted to testifying falsely at the Attorney General's civil fraud trial against Trump last fall, though that was not among the charges to which he pleaded guilty. Per his agreement with prosecutors, Weisselberg did not plead guilty to perjury at Trump's civil fraud trial over the triplex, and the parties agreed he wouldn't be sentenced for that conduct, which could be considered a violation of his parole in connection to his 2022 guilty plea to 15 counts of tax fraud. The former Trump Organization Chief Financial Officer answered questions from Judge Lori Peterson confirming his plea. Weisselberg told the judge he is pleading guilty because he is guilty. In renewing the plea agreement, prosecutor Gary Fishman said they consider Weisselberg's age is not recommending more than 5 months in prison, but said prison time was necessary as the harm caused by perjury tears at the very fabric of the justice system. Weisselberg will be sentenced on April 10th. Under the terms of the deal with the prosecutors, Weisselberg will be sentenced to 5 months in jail, a deal identical to the prior agreement he made in the 2020 plea. In the previous case, he served about 100 days. During his arraignment Monday morning, Weisselberg acknowledged he lied when he testified to the Attorney General during a 2020 deposition that he never heard Trump falsely mistake the size of Trump's triplex in a September 2015 interview with a Forbes reporter. He admitted he was present for that Forbes interview. Weisselberg also admitted he gave false testimony during a May 2023 deposition when he tried to distance himself from the creation of Trump's inflated personal financial statements, an issue in the AG's civil fraud case. Weisselberg acknowledged he falsely testified when he told state attorneys that I didn't delve into the numbers and that he relied on the property valuations computed by former Trump Oil Controller Jeff McConney. These statements were false, as Weisselberg was significantly involved in determining what methodology and what numbers were used to value properties in the statements of financial condition, the complaint says. Per his agreement, Weisselberg also admitted he lied again about these matters on the stand last October during the civil fraud trial, though that is not among the charges to which he pleaded guilty. Earlier Monday, Weisselberg declined to comment to CNN. Seth Rosenberg, an attorney for Weisselberg, also declined to comment. A spokesperson for Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg said that it is a crime to lie in a deposition and a trial plain and simple, adding that the former Trump Organization official is being held responsible for his conduct. Stephen Chung, a spokesman for Trump, accused Bragg of committing prosecutorial misconduct. Weisselberg had been in plea talks with the Manhattan prosecutors for several weeks relating to his testimony taken during the New York Attorney General's civil investigation into the former president in 2020. And when he testified last year, several people familiar with the investigation said. I'm Tyrone Bowman. Never surrender. Never